breeze, but it definitely isn't. You know, trying to see the pieces, keep yourself down there is a lot more difficult, and especially once you play a long game there. You know, you're doing 30, 40 moves.
I think that 60% is chess and 40% is like other skills. Swimming, keeping your body over control, and then the pressure and your breath.